In this tutorial, we will show you how to add, edit, and remove dependents. To begin, go to the Employees tab. Click on the eye icon beside the employee whose dependent you need to update. For this example, we will use Bethany Brooks. Click on the Dependents tab. You will automatically be shown only active dependents. To add a dependent, click the New button. Enter the dependent information. If the dependent is over age but attending college or university, or is disabled, confirm this information as well at this time. Enter the effective date of the change. This will be the date benefits are effective for this dependent. For example, enter the date of marriage for a new husband or wife, or for a newborn child, the effective date would be their date of birth. Click the checkbox to confirm the dependent is eligible for coverage, then click Save. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm if any other updates are required, such as an update to the beneficiary designation. Click OK, and a banner will show across the top of the screen advising the dependent has been added successfully. To edit a dependent, go to the Dependents tab. You can click on the drop arrow and select Edit, or you can click on View beside the dependent you wish to edit, and then click the Edit button. Both of these actions will bring you to the Dependent Edit screen. Make any necessary corrections. For example, sometimes a name is misspelled, or in this case, the first and last names are inverted. Enter the effective date of the change. If you are correcting a name or date of birth, the current date can be used. Confirm the dependent is eligible for coverage, and then click Save. A banner will show across the top of the screen advising the dependent has been updated successfully. You can also view terminated dependents under the Dependents tab. Click on the drop arrow beside the word Filter, and then click on the drop arrow beside the word Active. Select Terminated, and then click Apply. The list will now show only terminated dependents. You can also select All, and then click Apply, which will show you both active and terminated dependents. To terminate a dependent, click on View or the drop arrow beside View and click Terminate. This will bring you to the Dependent Termination screen. Enter the termination date for the dependent. Enter the termination reason. Click Terminate. A box will pop up asking you to confirm other information. Click OK, and a banner will appear confirming the dependent was successfully terminated. That completes the adding, editing, and removing dependents NOMAD tutorial. Thanks for watching.